Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have a quick unboxing of a new strap that was sent to me by Artem Straps. Um, this was sent to me without me paying for it to show it to you guys, but I'm a big fan of Artem Straps, I have to say, and I wanted to show you that I have here even one with the FKN and another one with the Sailcloth with the Loop-Less buckle. Both were also sent to me before by Artem, and I think they are one of the best straps that you can get for your watches. Let me get down to the business. These straps are so we have here the Nova Lite edition, and these are the new Loop-Less HydroFlex with the FKM rubber back. I asked them to give me a 2018 because I think that's my favorite, let's say, tapering down. I don't like it to taper too much. So they have a lot of colors. They have the black, blue, brown, gray, olive, orange, red, beige, and white. Each of them have their own name. They have also a lot of sizes. So they have from 22 on 20. They have even the odd sizes like the 21. They have also, of course, 20 on 18 like this one, 20 on 16. They have even 19 on 16 and 18 on 16. So basically, that's the 18 and that's the 16. First number is up with the lug, and the second number is where you put the buckle. They also have two kinds of buckles that you can order with the watch. One like this with the stainless steel, or black DLC. So if you have a black watch like this one and you wanted to order a DLC black buckle for it, you can do that. So you have the HydroFlex material where you have the FKM rubber on the back, the Sailcloth on the front with the white stitching. By the way, you can also customize the stitching color. You can get black, orange, white, red, or beige. So I really think they're really cool straps. They cost $248, I think, Australian dollars. Maybe correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. And yeah, so let's start by first off maybe putting it on. Maybe I'll leave that for the last one because I wanted to take also pictures with the Explorer, but it doesn't hurt to take the bracelet, the strap off. The other ones are easy because basically these are also Artem straps. So basically I take these off like that and I put them on like this. Pretty easy. Just trying to find the hole. Yes. And here as well. Found it the first time, so the second time will be easier. So here we have, I'm testing out the Christopher Ward at the moment. So what I found the easiest way to put the strap in, let me check, I have here in the second, so I most probably also be wearing this in the second, is to just squeeze it like this here, and then when you get to the second, you just push on one side and then you push on the next side. Look where the hole is, match it with the pin, and here we go. Let's see, is it the correct size? Perfect size. Looks actually really nice also on this watch. Pretty cool. Let's see it on the second option that I think will look also quite good on the Nomos, which also I wear it with the Artem Sailcross strap. But as you can see here, the difference between this one, this has this rubbery, kind of leathery rubber back end to it, but this one has this FKM grooves that make it much more comfortable and better in case of like sweat. This is more like a dressy sailcloth for me. So let's see. Maybe this one would be too large because of the lugs, because that's one of the disadvantages of this watch is the lugs. Maybe advantages if you like watches wearing larger on the wrist. Really nice as well. Goes really well with the center seconds as well. So going up the ladder, actually the Nomos is a more expensive watch than the Tissot, but I digress. Let's try it out. Maybe the hole is too... no, the hole is good. Sometimes it just doesn't get into it correctly, and then it takes longer. A little bit tight, yeah, not matching so much. And now for the main reason I got the strap to test out actually on this watch. Clean it. That's the problem with white straps. I have the Thrub B white. They do get quickly. Yeah, that looks really nice. That's perfect. So I'll keep this watch like that for the next couple of weeks. Maybe even go out, take a couple of shots with it and short videos. So to test out fully this new Arctic Nova Lite edition. Somehow, I don't know why, because of the white, maybe it's just turned Arctic to me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. You'll find the subscription button here and 2 videos on the left and the right that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.